好，各位同學睇下 DSE Physics 啊，2024年嘅第17條啦。Two identical 嘅 loudspeakers S1 S2啦，connected to 一個 signal generator produce sound of wavelength 0.1個 meter，which are in antiphase。OK，而家有兩個 loudspeaker identical 嘅咁樣 produce 緊一個 sound wave 啦，而佢哋係 antiphase，呢個好重要啊！呢條問題應該係真係有成20年，甚至30年嘅時間未出現過噶啦。咁呢度咧就係 OS perpendicular bisector 啦，跟住咧就joining SS 嘅 of the line joining SS 即係呢一個咁跟住而家問嘅係what type of interference occur at X 啦同埋 P 啦 respectively。咁呢個都係一個好典型嘅 interference 類型嘅問題啦。而好多時咧，我哋遇見嘅 interference 問題咧，跟住問 X 呢點都係 constructive 嘅 interference 但係啦，但係乜嘢咧？但係就係今次咧，佢係 in antiphase 嘅。OK in antiphase 呢一個問法咧，曾經係出現過嘅咁多年嚟，但係真係好少見。antiphase 嘅話咧就有啲唔同啦因為平時我哋接觸嘅咧係 in phase 兩個 loudspeaker produce 緊嗰個 wave 咧係 in phase。in phase 嘅話咧，咁就係 S1 S 去到 X 呢點咧，佢哋因為佢有嘅 travel 嗰個 distance 係一樣嘅，或者 travel 嘅 distance 係一樣嘅，所以佢哋之間嘅 path difference 咧就會係零嚟嘅。OK，去到 X 點呢點嘅 path difference 咧係零嚟嘅。咁嗱，path difference 咧，無論係佢哋 in phase 定 anti phase 都好啦，都係一樣，都係 path difference 係零噶啦。但係啦，如果佢哋 in phase 嘅話咧，就係講緊佢哋兩個 travel 過去兩個 wave 咧，就係大家係 crash 嘅時候，即係 S1 係 crash 嘅時候，S2 係 crash 啦。S1 係 trough 嘅時候，S2 係 trough，咁就係 in phase 嘅 source 撞到過去 X 呢點佢哋 travel 一樣 distance 嘅時候咧，就會係翻一樣嘅位置撞埋一齊。咁即係 crash 會撞 crash，trough 會撞 trough 咁就會形成到 constructive interference 撞到過去 X 呢點嘅時候。OK，咁但係啦，今次係 in antiphase 嘅，咁即係話咧，本身咧 S1 係咁樣係 crash trough crash trough 咁樣出現咧，咁S2咧就會係 trough crash trough crash 咁出現噶啦。因為啱啱好相反，所以變咗乜嘢咧？變咗嘅就係當佢哋travel 一樣嘅 distance 去到 X 點嘅時候咧，就會S1 係 crash 嘅時候咧，S2就啱啱會係 trough 嚟噶啦。咁就會一個係 crash，一個係 trough，就會相消啦，互相會抵消，大家就會產生 destructive interference 嘅。OK，咁呢個就係in antiphase 嘅時候咧，啱啱好倒轉咗嘅效果啦。咁跟住喺 P 點嘅時候，咁又點咧？P 點嘅時候，我哋就揾一揾P 點嘅 path difference 係乜嘢啦？咁呢個就係3 meter 減翻2.5 meter 啦。咁即係0.5個 meter， 0.5個 meter，而我哋知道嘅就係個 wavelength of 呢個山咧係0.1，咁所以我哋就知道我呢個就係咩咧？呢個係5個整數 lambda 嘅倍數嚟嘅。OK，咁即係整數 lambda，整數 lambda 即係發生係啦。我哋一般多數見到嘅就係 constructive，但係今次唔係，今次係 in antiphase。OK，平時見得比較多嘅係 in phase。antiphase 嘅時候又係啦，我哋 travel 咗係5個整數 lambda，咁即係話佢哋相隔嘅啱啱好就係相隔咗係一啲 lambda 倍數。咁所以啦，當係個S 係 crash，S1 係 trough 嘅時候，咁相隔多一啲 lambda 倍數，其實都一樣係撞翻呢兩個位嘅。OK，咁所以都一樣係發生 destructive 嘅 interference。OK，所以答案係 C。